Hi, I'm Garth Watson. Welcome to our channel. We're here today at Intersolar Europe 2023 for the launch of Clenergy ESS, our new ESS product range for residential. Please follow me today to run you through the new products. Like and subscribe below. This is the new TNK LV10. It is a 10.2 kilowatt hour, 48 volt battery compatible with our low voltage range of tank inverters. Perfect for any sort of residential use to give you true grid independence and energy all through the night. Engineered in Australia, designed in-house, and perfect for all conditions across the world. Thanks for watching. Please follow along with future videos for new products as they release. Like, subscribe, and comment below.